Hi, second grade. Welcome to one of your very last Eureka math lessons. Mrs. Jones here. I'm so excited to be here with you today. We are going to be talking about our end of the year math review. So you're going to have one lesson with me and one lesson with Miss Daly, and then we will take a quiz to see how much you have learned this year. And I cannot wait to see how amazing you all do, because this is all stuff we've done before. So we're going to go ahead and talk about some questions that you're going to see on the quiz, just kind of refreshing our brains for things that we've already learned. Our first thing that we're going to take a look at is place value. Be careful not to get tricked. So it's kind of like if you know this equation, then you know this equation. So if you know 36 plus 3, that equals what? Right, 39. Now don't get tricked. Then you would easy peasy be able to add 36 plus 30 or 36 plus 3 tenths. And that equals what? Right, 66. I almost got tricked because I almost put this 9 here and I almost said 69. Don't get tricked like me. So let's try another one with subtraction. If you know 73 minus 30 or 73 minus 3 tenths, that equals what? Right, it equals 43. Nice work. One more. Then you know 73 minus 40, and that equals what? Right, 33. So now something that we have spent a lot of time with, each and every single one of your teachers has spent so much time with adding and subtracting with bundling. We're going to go ahead and start with adding, and we're going to be doing some 3-digit numbers. Remember, we have to bundle every time a number is what number or greater? Right, 10. Anytime a number is 10 or greater, we have to bundle them. So you might see a problem like this. Oh, 247 plus 585. And I wrote, don't forget to circle your sign. And you'll see a place value chart just like this. So many of your teachers, in fact, not many, all of your teachers always taught you to rewrite the problem. So I'm going to make my screen come down here, and I'm going to write 247 plus 585 equals. And I can't forget to what? Right, circle my sign. I'm adding. So I know I always start in which place? The hundreds, the tens, or the ones? Right, the ones. So I have 7 ones plus 5 ones equals what? Right, 12. I'm going to have to bundle. I'm going to leave my 2 here, and I'm going to bundle my 110 up there. In fact, I think it might just be easier for you to see it like this. Okay, now I have 110 plus 4 tenths equals what? Right, 5 tenths. 5 tenths plus 8 tenths equals what? Right, 13. Do I need to bundle the number 13? Right, I do. I'm going to leave my 3 tens behind and bundle my 100. Okay, now I have 100 plus 200 equals, right, 300. 300 plus 500 equals what? Right, 800. So you might think, Miss Jones, I'm all done now. I'm going to go ahead and enter this answer. No, no, no. That's how we make silly mistakes. We need to check our work. So now we're going to check if our math matches. I'm going to redraw my picture just like I see it on my problem. So I'm going to have an H, a T, and O. Hundreds, tens, and ones. I know because I'm adding, I'm going to have both sets of my numbers on my hundreds chart. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my top number first, 247. I need 2 hundreds, 4 tens, and 7 ones. And I'm going to add 585. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 85. So I have all of my pictures to show this. I'm going to do the same process and check with my pictures. We start in our ones place. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So far I'm right. Ooh, but 12, I know I need to bundle and bring it over. I have 2 left. So now I'm going to add my tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. We said we needed to bundle. I'm going to take 10 of my tens, cross them out, and bring it over. I have 3 tens left over. And for my hundreds, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hundreds. Does this answer match my other answer? It sure does. So I've checked to make sure I have not made any mistakes. Great, let's go ahead and try a subtraction one. So give me just 1 minute to clear my whiteboard. Okay, here we go. So I have 625 minus 377, and don't forget to circle my sign. When I subtract, I don't get both numbers. I'm going to have to take away from that top number. Let's go ahead and work that through together. So I have 625 minus 377 equals, oh, you can't see. And I can't forget to circle, right, my sign. Where do I have to start in this problem? The hundreds, the tens, or the ones? Right, in the ones. So I have 5 ones minus 7 ones. And you might be thinking, Miss Jones, it's 2. I always have to start from the top. If I have 5, can I take away 7? Nope, I can't take away 7. So I have to go next door and get 10 more. So now I have 15 ones minus 7. That equals what? Right, 8. My 2 tens becomes a 110 because I borrowed. 110 take away 7 tens. Can I do that? Or do I need to borrow? Right, I need to go next door and get 10 more. So I have 11 tens minus 7 tens equals what? Right, 4. Because I crossed out my 6 hundreds becomes 5 hundreds. 5 hundreds minus 3 hundreds equals what? Right, 2 hundreds. Am I done yet? No, I need to check with my pictures. So I'm going to draw my hundreds, my tens, and my ones just like I did with my addition. And I'm going to draw both numbers or just the top number. Right, just the top number. I'm going to draw 600s. 600s, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 625. And I'm going to subtract the bottom number now. Which place do I start in? Right, the ones place. So I'm going to take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I don't have enough. I'm going to cross off 1 10 and bring over 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now I can subtract 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to check myself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 ones. Now I need to subtract 7 tens. Ooh, I already know I can't do that. So I'm going to go next door to my hundreds and get 10 more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm making sure I'm taking my time and writing them neatly and making sure that they are rows of 5 so that I don't make a silly mistake when I'm checking. So now I need to take away how many tens? Right, 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens left over. And lastly, how many hundreds do I need to take away? Right, 3. I'm not going to count this one because I use this to borrow. 1, 2, 3. And I have how many hundreds left? Right, 2. When I check my answers, do they match? Right, they do. So that means that I have done my problem correctly. It's your turn to go ahead and practice these. You will have one addition problem and one subtraction problem, just like we practiced in this lesson in your Google Forms. I know you're going to do amazing, and I can't wait to see your awesome quiz results. Bye, second grade.